to buy it. Hey guys, what's up, what go on my people? Me dey rolling on my little backyard, yeah. Very cool and it is windy. And you know me I go prepare food today, guys. As a Jamaican, we not throw away leftover food. Yeah man, me know me tell you that already, you know. We not throw away leftover food, guys. So I have some leftover rice right here. Alright. So I'm going to make a quick, easy and delicious dinner for you guys. Alright. This is ready within 10 minutes. So I have some chicken breast here. I'm going to remove the bone. And I have some chicken ham, two little slices of chicken ham, and I have a little bacon just to flavor the thing, to give it a nice little flavor. Alrighty, and these are my seasoning over here. And yeah, I must say I wish I could do with turmeric. Alright, just stick and stay and you will see. Alrighty, so this is country crop butter. I'm gonna need a little of that as well. Alrighty, so anything your girl use, you know me I go just show no. Alright, and these are the season them I'm going to use to, guys. So stick and stay. Make we kick it off now. Watch what I go on. Alright guys, so you don't know my style. Alright, you don't know from I'm on the outside. You know the table is my all in all, my everything, right guys? Alright, if you've been watching the channel, if you have been following me, you know my style. And if you are watching me for the first time, welcome guys, welcome. And please to click the like button. Please share, like and share guys, please. That's all I'm asking. So please like and share the videos. Comment. Alright. Because trust me, if you sit down and watch it and you enjoy it, you know, think that somebody else would enjoy it too. Sharing is caring, man. Share up the thing, man. Please share up the thing, guys. My beautiful subscribers. So I eat this fruit onion. And we're going to box it aside. Yeah, man. My table out here is my all in all. I use it to do everything. Put that aside and you know, fold the scallion. Using some nicely fresh scallion, and we're just going to cut that up. Some small bits as well. We're not throw leftover food, guys. This is a simple, easy, and delicious dinner recipe. It can be a lunch too, anything you want to call it. Lunch, dinner. Alright, as for the bell pepper, we remove the seeds. Just going to dice them up same way. So guys, any unnecessary knives you hear, I am on the outside. Round and I look back there, I have a box that aside. Yeah. Alright, so we have green bell pepper. And we're going to dice him up. Box him aside as well. them on. You see how we season them look colorful and all, guys. Yeah. Eat that for seasoning. Alright, so I have some string bean. You know, I'm gonna dash to a look like in it as well. You can go ahead and you can also use the thin. You can also use the thin vegetable. I like to do things the natural way once I have it. Once I have the freshly natural stuff, I rather to use it. Alright, so we're using a medium carrot. Go and just bust that in too. Again. To get it smaller, guys, you can make more than one cut. Alright, so we are moving on to our garlic now. Season looking lovely. Your food must look colorful. So this is our garlic cloves. So we're going to each and every one of them, mince them up. Alright. So this is it for our garlic all minced up. Alrighty. So we're not going to mix it up with our vegetable because we're gonna dash that in the pot before the vegetable. Yeah, so we want to just leave it by itself, and we're going to move on to our chicken right about now. So let's go. Alright, guys, so I'm going to remove the bone. I'm not using the bone off the chicken breast. So we're going to remove that. Yeah, booms with that. We're not even going to use the grizzle. We just want just the flesh of the breast. Yeah, so this is it. Pop him out, tear him out, anything you have to do to get your flesh, brother. Yep. And we're going to just dice that up. Side over here. Alright, so this is the bone part. I'm going to leave it to make some broth. I eat that, people. Bone. So all we want are the flesh of the breast. So we're going to just dice him up. Same procedure. Alright, so I eat that. We don't want the grizzle. This is the little grizzle part. Let's remove the flesh. Grizzle. We're not using it as well. So this is it for our chicken, right? I'll dice up. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set on my wok. And the part of the chicken that I said the grizzle, guys, it's the cartilage. Alrighty? So hope you guys will pick that up when I say grizzle. Right? Hope you know it's a cartilage I'm talking about. Alright? So you don't know from up on the outside, you know see I'm a cold fire. Don't ramp with me cold them man. Look at that. Red and hot. Alright? And with my wok. Yeah. Come back over here. So now guys, I'm just going to cut this. I'm just going to dice up this as well. And this is chicken ham. Moving on to our bacon. A lot of people love bacon. So this is bacon strip. I'm just using this, guys, just to flavor the thing. Alright, to flavor the pot, yeah. So we're going to just dice him up. You know, we want him into some bits and pieces. Yeah. Alright, so I eat that. So I'm going to wash off my hands. So guys, as I tell you, if you are vibes in with me for the very first time, welcome to my little kitchen down a yard, yeah. Paddy's kitchen, yeah. Stick and stay with me in the backyard, yeah. See, miracle happen around here with food, as it concerns food, Jamaican food, in a ramp with it. Alright, so let's go over to my pot now. Alright, so I'm going to dash some oil. So I'm using some extra virgin oil, and we're going to stir some of that in our wok, waiting on it to hot. So it seems hot. Alright, so we're going for the chicken now. For the chicken, what we're going to do now, we're using a little chicken season. We're tossing a little on that, yeah. We love when our thing is spicy and flavorful, guys. I'm adding a little black pepper as well, yeah. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and drizzle a little salt. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead now and just give that a good mix. Alrighty, so let's go over to the pot now. Yeah, man, our pot is hot. Alright, so guys, in with our chicken. Alright, alongside our chicken now, we have some garlic. In with the garlic as well. Alright, so we're waiting on that to change color. Waiting on our chicken to change color. So once you see change color, you know it start cook, right? Alright guys, so I put that, yes. So this is it for our chicken. Alright. In with our bacon and slice as well. And we're gonna allow that to cook, to fry up and get flavorful. Alright. Alrighty. You can smell the bacon, you know, man. I release out the flavor there. Alright, so if this, guys, so what we're going to do now, we're going to allow that to fry up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my seasoning. And we are also going to dash this in the pot just to release some flavor, spice and everything. So let's go. Alright, so yeah man, that's how we want it to look. So in with our seasoning. You know, I'm not let nothing in the pan here, you know, guys. You know, I crepe out everything, right? You know my style, yeah? I eat this, guys. So I eat this, you know, empty. You know, I'm not let nothing, right? I eat this. So I give this a nice little stir now. Combine everything. Everything come alive. I eat this, you know, my people. The man I can smell the bacon, you know, who love bacon too, my son. So we try the man them would have to choke this in the ear like this and catch back this, eh? And this then doing, people? Eh? Choke the thing in the ear like this. Eh? Yo! Suppose me I do this, people, and when me look, the whole of me thing show you. Hey, would have upset, you know? Dinner would have get roasted and get mashed up tonight. But that now gonna happen, my peeps. I can assure you, and that one, Ozzy would have come home and not get no dinner. Or that would have go, when would I tell him, say? Eh? Me I play with the food and all I throw it. So I eat this, you know, my people. Yeah, man, so watch this here now. So we need this to release out the flavor. Alright, so we're going over to our rice. But them say all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. That was just a little fun moment, right? Alright, so I'm gonna use a little onion, man. I'm going to use a little butter. We're adding some butter. Add some extra flavor to our pot. Alright, and we're gonna add some more, a little more black pepper. We're gonna add a little more to the pot, right? Also, we're going to add a little more salt as well. We're using a little more salt, guys. Alright. Making way for our rice. Smells really good right about now. Alright, so allow me to introduce the rice to the pot right about now, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice to the pot. And I'm going to add that little, right? We want to do that little. We don't want to throw everything at once. Yeah? So as I said, guys, we want to add the rice little, and we want to give that a good mix. Yeah? We want to combine everything, and please look if your rice have any lumps. Yeah? Whenever mix matter before, guys, same like how you mix matter, so you mix, so you mix it. Yeah? Whoever mix matter before, whoever have that experience. Yeah, man. This and easy. This is a quick and easy 10 minutes dinner, guys. Dinner on your table in no time. Alright, can you hear that frying up? Yeah, man. Oh, now my little backyard there. How it's coming on, guys? This is going to be so flavorful. Yeah. And you don't want to have your fire too high. If you are doing this on the inside, please put your stove on low. You can have it on medium when you are adding your vegetable and stuff, when you're frying up your chicken. Alrighty, but as soon as you finish that and you're adding your rice and everything, please to keep it on low. Yeah, you want it to really fry up nice and easy. You don't want it to burn. Alrighty, so the last thing I'm going to add to my pot now, guys, I'm gonna add some turmeric. Alrighty, so let's go. I'm gonna drizzle a little turmeric all over my rice, and I'm gonna give that a good mix. Yeah, we want to mix that really good. Oh my, I'm smelling this and it is so flavorful already. So you want to mix it really good. As I say, you don't ever mix matter, guys. Just apply that mix, that thing that you do when you're mixing matter, yeah? Flavorful and nice. Look at that, guys. You know, everybody ever love dinner when they come home later. So you want to ensure that you go down to the bottom and you scoop from the bottom and you mix really good. This is it, guys. Good to go. So this is our quick and easy 10 minutes dinner. Your whole family will love this, guys. Give it a try. So you don't notice me not taste my pot? Alright, watch this now. I'm going to taste the pot now, guys. I'm going to taste the pot. You notice I don't want to taste it. So please go ahead and taste your pot. But most of the time I cook, I don't even taste the pot and everything is perfect. Voila. This is good. No salt, no nothing. Don't need anything more. Perfect. So next time you see this now, guys, I will be plating this and having my dinner. Alrighty? Yeah, man. So guys, if my husband was here, no way would I say the boat land. You see boat land. Saddle up yourself, you take interrogation. I don't know what so would I sing, right? I don't know say everything about for him. Alrighty. So from I see that little plate here. People no don't have to ask whose plate is this. Because I don't know if I plate this don't. I'm gonna see that little something here. And now if you ask, right? So I eat that in the people. I try to make sure so everybody plate nice and much. Don't like when food's chat way in a plate neither too. Alrighty. Yeah man, so I eat that. Give them a look at over there so I the plate. So this is it guys, this is it. Make sure I take everything out of the pot. We're not leaving anything in there, right? I don't know them guys are eating enough. So I eat that, you know, my people. Yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, click the notification bell, subscribe.